Today we are looking at about 3 to 4 ways you can style your hair with a head scarf. Let's move. Today's verse, Psalm 139, verse 13 to 14. For you created my inmost being, you knit me together in my mother's womb. I praise you because I'm fearfully and wonderfully made. Your works are wonderful. I know that fully well. Hello, lovelies. Welcome to my channel. You see that moment when you're about a week past your wash day and you are feeling lazy to wash, so you decide to see, you want to try if you can style your hair in a way that can go another 1 week. Have you ever been there? So this is me desperately trying to save my hair for a week before I wash. I know, right? It's not a good thing to do though. When it's wash day, it should be wash day. Okay, so I'm going to work on 3 different ways you can. I think I did about 4. Okay, anyway, 3 or 4 ways we can style our hair with a head scarf. Okay, so it's actually very simple. So you just detangle your hair and then brush. Most of my hairstyles don't need gel, so if you don't have a gel, do not worry, you are good. So today I decided to use this protective what is it called, cover over my dress so I don't get hair everywhere, but this thing was just stressing me out, so I had to take it off eventually. Yes, so anyways, that was just by the way. So just get your head scarf, a rubber band. So it's sort of, you're going to do a puff. So you take a little bit of the hair, that's the front part as you've seen me twisted. You take it out and then you brush up the other part of the hair and then secure it with a rubber band, just like you're doing a puff updo. Yes, so get your scarf and fold it as you would desire, and then you just tie it around your head. So after you tie it once, you wrap it around the other twice, and then you twist each on its own, and then you tuck it in the scarf that is wrapped around your head. Yes, so one on each side. It's actually very simple. As you watch the video, you would be able to get it easily done. Okay, so basically just comb out the remaining parts of the hair just to release, straighten, bring out the whole look, and basically that's it. When you're done combing it out, just use your fingers to put everything in order. Any strand that is hanging somewhere that's not supposed to, just use your fingers to pull out or you tap in. Basically, that is style 1 with your head scarf. If this is your first time on my channel, you are welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you can get a notification anytime we upload a new video. Let's have fun together. Okay, this style turned out pretty great. Yay! Let's move on to style 2. Very pretty, very simple, very easy to do. So you see that little part we pulled out. Yes, so just grab that, use your fingers to straighten it, pull, tuck it in with a pin. Very simple. Yay! Very pretty, very cutesy, very demure. This looks good. I think this turned out pretty good. Yeah. Should I keep these hairstyles for about 2 weeks more before I wash my hair? I know. Anyways, just kidding. I'm going to wash my hair as soon as possible. No more delays. All right. So we are moving to style 3. Style 3. Okay, so you just twist the front part. I think it is pretty simple. Just twist the front part and tuck it in with a pin. That's all. So you see, the beauty about styling your hair is just dip into that side of creativity that is within you, and then I mean, try anything wild, anything extra. Oh, and you realize it'll turn out pretty great actually. Okay, so this last hairstyle, this is the fourth one. So I did 4 hairstyles. Okay, I grabbed a different scarf, and then using my brush to just brush to smoothen things out. I just grabbed all the hair up, just to get everything inside, and then I twisted the end. Okay, twisted the end, and then I tugged it in. I think these are amazing. What do you think? Okay, so just grab your scarf and then wrap it around your head. So when you wrap, you do that one knot. Yeah, so you just knot it once. So make sure you get it all tight. So you knot it once. Tighten it a bit, not too tight. You don't want to hurt yourself. So okay, and then this time you twist around each other. Just twist, and wrap it around itself and tuck it in. You can use a pin or just tuck it inside. Find a space somewhere, then just keep it there. Wow, this is amazing. Thank you all so much for watching. Till I see you in my next video, stay safe, be kind, love all, and remember, Jesus loves you. Bye.